Nervous that your upcoming trip may be too cold? Fear not. We have the tips you need to stay toasty warm. Tip number 1. Dress in layers. Winter weather can be unpredictable, so be prepared for fluctuating temperatures. Pack a variety of clothing options that can easily be layered to keep you warm and comfortable throughout your trip. Tip number 2. Don't forget your winter essentials. From hats and gloves to scarves and thermal socks, it's crucial to have the right gear to protect yourself from the chill. Don't let the winter weather catch you off guard. Tip number 3. Plan your transportation in advance. Winter conditions can affect travel schedules, so make sure to check for any potential delays or cancellations. Booking your transportation ahead of time will help ensure a smooth and stress-free journey. Tip number 4. Stay hydrated. It's easy to forget to drink enough water during the winter months, but dehydration is still a concern. Make sure to pack a water bottle and stay hydrated throughout your trip. Tip number 5. Embrace the winter activities. Whether it's skiing, snowboarding, or ice skating, winter offers a wide range of exciting activities. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. And there you have it. These are our top winter travel tips for first-time explorers like you. We hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to embark on your own winter adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy winter wandering!